Morning, friends. On this graceful morning, it is my privilege and it gives me an immense pleasure to share few concepts on yoga. Friends, we start the session by chanting Omkara, followed by salutation to Patanjali Maharshi. Friends, today we learn one meditative posture. It is a standing posture. If you are sitting on a yoga mat, I request everybody to please stand up. Stand up. Now today we learn Tadasana. Tadasana. Now you join the feet. Now we are joining the feet. Now we are joining the toes and heels. And here, friends, here we have metatarsals. We are giving equal pressure from each metatarsals to the ground. We are giving equal pressure like this. Now, these two are the shins, these two are the knees. You want to pull the knees up. We come to the thighs, pull the back muscles of the thighs up, squeeze the buttocks. So we are standing like this. Squeeze the buttocks. Take the abdomen in, the shoulders up, the spine straight, the neck straight, the neck straight, and take the hands little further than the thighs, like this. Stand. This is, friends, this is Tadasana. Stand. Tada means mountain. Standing firmly and erectly, like this, is called as Tadasana. Standing firm like a mountain. Friends, this is Tadasana. This is Tadasana. Well, many of us, 99.99%, friends, many of us, we don't know how to stand properly. Usually, we stand by throwing one leg apart like this, or we stand like this. We give unequal pressure on the toes. Friends, if we observe, if we observe the soles of the shoes or the soles of the chappals, now we can see that at the sides they are worn, or they are worn at the heels, they are worn at the toes. Sideways, they are worn at the sideways or toes or heels. Well, friends, it is very, very rare to see a flattened sole, the flattened sole of a shoe or a chappal. I told that 99.99% we don't know how to stand properly. Friends, this is Tadasana. This is Tadasana. Many Jaina Munis stand in Tadasana and they meditate. The classical example is Bahubali. Bahubali, a great warrior. He stood in the war field. In the Tadasana, he went for meditation. He got enlightened and he was transformed to Mahavira. Transformed to Mahavira. Many Jaina Munis stand in Tadasana and they meditate. Today, we start Omkara by Tadasana. Friends, if you join your toes and heels like this, suppose if you close your eyes, you lose your balance. It needs lot of practice. So I request 1 feet, one feet you separate like this, 1 feet you separate like this. Stand in Tadasana. Take the Namaskara Mudra or Pranjali Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Deep breath, my friends. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचाम् मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि Friends, that is Tadasana, a meditative posture usually used by Jaina Munis. Now we shall sit in any comfortable meditative posture. I sit as usual in the Padmasana. I have entered the Padmasana from the left. It is Vama Padmasana, VAMA, Vama Padmasana. I have not taken any mudra. This is Mukta Padmasana. Mukta Padmasana. Friends, today the first pranayama we are learning is Ujjayi Pranayama. I repeat once again, it is Ujjayi Pranayama. Now, this is a pranayama with this sound. We make the sound, and since we hold the breath inside, now since we have Kumbhaka here, it is called as Abhyantara Pranayama. Now I demonstrate this Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama. See, the sound we suck the air through the nostrils. While taking the air through the nostrils, we make a sound like this. Now hold the breath. Perform Kumbhaka. Jalandhara Bandha, Mula Bandha. Perform Kumbhaka for 20 seconds. Release the bandhas. Exhale from the Chandranadi, left nostril. Slowly for 10 seconds. We shall perform five rounds. Inhale through the nose, making the sound. Kumbhaka. Jalandhara Bandha, Mula Bandha for 20 seconds. Exhale from the left nostril, 10 seconds slowly. Third round. Inhale from the nostril, making the sound. Kumbhaka with Jalandhara Bandha, Mula Bandha for 20 seconds. Come up. Exhale from the left nostril, 10 seconds slowly. Now the third round. Inhale through the nostril by making the sound. Kumbhaka with the bandhas for 20 seconds. Release the bandhas. Exhale from the Chandranadi, 10 seconds slowly. Last round, fifth round. Inhale by making the sound. Kumbhaka with Jalandhara Bandha, Mula Bandha for 20 seconds. Release the Kumbhaka. Exhale from the left nostril Chandranadi for 10 seconds slowly. Take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. 3 times. Take a deep breath, my friends. Exhale slowly. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Friends, this is Ujjayi Pranayama. We know that every pranayama is followed by another relaxing pranayama. Now we performing the subsidiary, the relaxing pranayama. After this Ujjayi Pranayama, I take, now this is Prana Mudra, friends. This is Prana Mudra. If I invert, this becomes Mrugi Mudra. It is like a deer. This is deer, the Mrugi Mudra. This is another mudra to pranayama. I place this mudra on my nose, the nostrils. Now open the right nostril, inhale. Now we follow the ratio 1:4:2, the breath ratio. In this breath ratio, we are assigning 5 seconds. So it becomes 5 into 20 into 10. Now, Rugi Mudra, close the left nostril, inhale from the right nostril 5 seconds. Perform Kumbhaka, Jalandhara Bandha, Moola Bandha, 20 seconds. Come up. Exhale from the Chandranadi for 10 seconds slowly. Don't burst the air outside. Slowly. Close the left nostril. Take the air inside from the right nostril 5 seconds. Perform Kumbhaka for 20 seconds with Jalandhara Bandha and Moola Bandha. Release the bandhas. Exhale the air from the Chandranadi left nostril slowly for 10 seconds. Close the left nostril. Third round. Suck the air from the right nostril 5 seconds, friends. Perform Kumbhaka, Jalandhara Bandha, Moola Bandha for 20 seconds. Come up. Release the bandhas. Exhale from the left nostril slowly for 10 seconds. This is the relaxing pranayama. Every pranayama is followed by another pranayama. Friends, if we practice pranayama, the prana vidya, now extreme energy will be created in the system. Extreme heat will be generated inside the system. To compensate the heat, we want to drink more water, more water. Now, if we have a car, if the car heats, if the carburetor is boiling, now we don't use soft drinks. To cool the car, we use plain water. Likewise, now to cool the system, we need not use the soft drinks. Just drink plain water. Try to drink 3 to 4 liters per day. It cools the system. Not only we drink the water, in pranayama, we have cooling pranayamas. Now, after the intense practice of regular pranayamas, to cool the system, we go for cooling pranayamas. we learn three types of cooling pranayamas. The first cooling pranayama is Sheetkari pranayama. Now this Sheetkari pranayama is the pranayama we perform from the mouth. They perform from the mouth, and now since we are performing the Kumbhaka, it is called as Abhyantara pranayama. How to practice the Sheetkari pranayama? Now we press the lower and upper teeth. We press the teeth like this. Now we extend the lips. We open the lips as comfortable as we can, like this. I press the teeth, upper teeth and lower teeth. I join the teeth like this. You open the lips as comfortable as you can. And I suck the air inside by making the sound C. By making the sound C, C, S, E, E, C, like this. Exhale. Now we perform. We perform for 5 rounds. The first round, I join the teeth. I extend the lips as comfortable. Don't extend too much. As comfortable as possible, and suck the air through the sound C, S, C, E, C. First round. Close the lips. Perform Kumbhaka for 20 seconds. Slowly come up. Exhale from the Chandranadi, left nostril, 10 seconds. Second round. Join the teeth, the lips apart. Inhale through the C sound. Perform Kumbhaka 20 seconds. Slowly come up. Exhale from the left nostril, Chandranadi, 10 seconds. Third round. Kumbhaka for 20 seconds. Jadandhara Bandha, Mula Bandha. Exhale from the Chandranadi, 10 seconds. Slowly. Fourth round. Kumbhaka for 20 seconds. Exhale from Chandranadi, 10 seconds. Slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale. Fifth round, last round. Perform Kumbhaka for 20 seconds. Jadandhara Bandha, Mula Bandha is very, very important. Come up. Exhale slowly from the left nostril, Chandranadi, 10 seconds. Slowly. Five rounds are over. Friends, inhale deeply. Exhale gently. Inhale deeply. Slowly exhale. Slowly, gently inhale. Slowly exhale. This is Sheetkari Pranayama. It is followed by relaxing Pranayama 3 times. We take the Bhrugi Mudra. I close the left nostril. Inhale by the right nostril 5 seconds. Gulp the air inside. Hold it for 20 seconds. Slowly come up. Exhale from the Chandranadi, 10 seconds. Close the left nostril. Inhale from the right nostril 5 seconds. Gulp the air inside. Perform Kumbhaka for 20 seconds. Come up slowly. Exhale from the Chandranadi 10 seconds. Slowly. Close the left nostril. Inhale from the right nostril 5 seconds. Gulp, gulp the air inside. Go for Kumbhaka for 20 seconds. Come up. Slowly exhale from the left nostril for 10 seconds. Slowly. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Take a deep breath, friends. Slowly exhale. Now this is the first cooling pranayama, Sheetkari pranayama. We join the upper and lower teeth. We extend the lips as comfortable as possible. Now we suck the air. We suck the air inside by C sound. Perform Kumbhaka. Since we are performing Kumbhaka, it is called as Abhyantara pranayama. And this Sheetkari pranayama is followed by a relaxing pranayama. This is the first cooling pranayama, Sheetkari pranayama. The next cooling pranayama is Sheetali pranayama. Sheetali pranayama. Before entering into Sheetali pranayama, you must know how to perform Kaki mudra, crow beak mudra, Kaki mudra. How to perform this Kaki mudra? We protrude the tongue like this. We protrude. You take the tongue outside as comfortable as possible. Now you close You close the tongue from the sideways. Now you can even you can use a pen like this to form the tongue tube. Now you fold from the sideways, form a tongue tube, protrude outside. Now this resembles the beak of a crow. Now since this resembles the beak of a crow, it is called as Kaki Mudra. Now in Shitali Pranayama, we use this Kaki Mudra. In the next class, we shall learn the second cooling pranayama, Shitali Pranayama. These cooling pranayamas are designed to cool the system, to cool the system. I told practicing cooling pranayamas is very, very important. Not only practicing cooling pranayamas are important, you want to take more water. You want to drink 3 to 4 liters of plain water. In the next class, we shall learn the Shitali Pranayama. Since the time is up, we chant 3 Omkaras, again a short Uddita Pranayama, followed by a Shanti Mantra, friends. I take the Namaskara Mudra, Pranjali Mudra, close the eyes gently, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, friends. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidaha Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Have a great day.